Hey, Buyer Refi family and friends, happy Friday. Coming to you with a little number crunching. I get so many phone calls about home equity lines of credit, and often the number one thing that folks are saying is hey, Rhett, you got me that 2.5 or that 3% interest rate, and I don't want to go ahead and refinance into today's, 6% money. However, I've got some debt or I've got a project I got to take care of. So I did a couple things here real quick. Number one, I pulled up on my credit card statement, what is the interest rate? Good credit. Looks like this here is the Aviator American Airlines card. 18.99%. So I just did a little bit of number crunching, and I said, okay, if I took my home improvement project and I put it on my credit card, what would that look like? Okay, I got my first mortgage. Let's just use 3% and just kind of playing with some numbers here. $35,000 project, which, by the way, could, cars, home improvement project, or maybe just overspending because inflation has gotten tight. We talked about this, that credit card debt in our last video is out of hand, but I just used 18.99. I just calculated that blended rate, and in essence it feels like 4.8% on a total of 310,000. So we're getting there. Remember, on that last video, we talked about as we see inflation year over year numbers come out, again, just hit. I think we were hanging out at about 5.8, down from hitting 8.5. We're going to start seeing those interest rates come down. So with that being said, that gives you one of those ideas to keep an eye on what we call your blended rate. So, folks, have yourself a very good long weekend. We have Civil Rights / Martin Luther King Day that's coming up on Monday. Will be available for all of your mortgage needs. But just a quick little food for thought on tapping into that equity, as it remains still one of the highest assets that you have in your life. So be well, folks.